Back YouTube, y'all know what's up. No introduction this time. We're gonna get into it. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Stop hurting my heart. Ooh, I hit the mic. But anyway, we're gonna keep it more gentle and subtle than I just kept it. And today, police surprised a 21-year-old at her door for committing loan fraud. I keep telling y'all, stay away from that fraud. Y'all don't want to listen. Y'all want to end up on my screen and have me laughing at you. All right, cut it out, man. Let's get into it. Ain't even
On
gonna play.
November 3rd, 2023,
Ain't even gonna tickle your fancy. Let's
in
go.
Illinois, police were called to
Damn, what's up with y'all in Illinois? This is my second Illinois video of the night.
an auto dealership where a woman was reported attempting to purchase a vehicle with a fake ID.
Oh, God.
The officer then went to the woman's house to speak with her about the attempted fraud.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. I'm Officer Brown, Bloomington Police Department. The reason I'm out here is I'm looking into, I got a call at a car dealership. Were you guys at a car dealership a little bit ago?
Yeah.
Okay. I got to talk to you about whatever was going on there. I don't know I wasn't there, so I'm trying to get the story straight. They're concerned because they think some of the paperwork didn't match up or something. Does that make sense?
Oh, make a lot of sense.
I was trying to get a car, yeah.
Okay. Did you provide them any kind of like fake information or something like that?
No.
Okay. Do you have the license that you provided them? Do you have that with you?
Yeah.
Could I see it?
Let me move so I can show y'all her face. Let me move.
How's it going? Okay. What about the other license that you provided them?
The driver's license?
Yeah. Let me see that one. Victor, why don't you run me person, please?
Shorty, you knew what was up. You knew it. You knew it, bro. When he keeping that license, you already know what's up. I'm gonna move my joint down here since they want to have her face at the top a lot.
These two IDs right here.
No, I need the driver's license that you provided them.
I probably dropped it in my mom's car when she came to get me.
Okay. Where did you get that license?
It's a regular license.
Where did you get it?
Where you get license from when
Okay. Well, the state of Illinois hasn't issued you a license.
I do have a license.
Yo.
Well, not according to the state of Illinois.
Do they want me to bring it back up to them when I get it, or can I?
I'd like to see the license that you have.
My mom's not here.
Okay. You see how this is a problem? I'm trying to get some cooperation from you. I'm not trying to cause a big scene here.
I understand.
It's obvious that whatever license you provided them is not your actual license because, according to the state, you don't have a license. And it's not the same information that's on any of these that you've handed me.
What information is different?
The birthday?
Okay.
Okay. Can you provide me with that license so I can finish this up?
I don't have the license right now. I probably dropped it in my mom's car. Those are only 3 forms of ID I have on me right now.
Okay. The issue here is you understand that you've committed a crime by doing that, right? By providing a false driver's license in order to try to get approved to buy a car. You understand that that's a crime, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you do that because you don't have a valid license, you're worried that because it's not valid that you wouldn't be able to drive away with the car, or?
Oh no, I wasn't worried about that at all. I just grabbed the ID that's in my wallet.
Okay. Well, you just gave me 3 IDs, and none
Right.
of these are the ones that you gave them just a few minutes ago.
Yeah, and my mom picked me up and I said I must have dropped it in her car because I didn't put it back in my wallet.
Okay. Would you let me come in and see if that fake license is here? You don't mind?
You don't have a warrant to come in here?
No. That's why I just asked.
Where are you trying to look? You want to go through my house?
Where are you
if that's
trying to
where the ID
look?
is, I just would like to get that license that you are providing.
I'm trying to look everywhere. Shorty, what do you mean? What you talking about?
If you don't have a warrant, you can come in.
Okay. Adam 20, Victor 1.
Do you have one?
Well, no, but right now I have probable cause for your arrest. Okay?
No.
Because you've committed a crime like I just explained. Okay? And I'm not trying to cause a big scene. I'm not trying to make a big issue out of this. Okay? So that's where we're at right now. Victor 1, could I get another unit, please? No hurry. Got everything you need? There's a whole new process for getting out of jail and bonding and stuff like that, and I'm going to work through that here in just a minute, okay? So I'm not even sure if you'll be sitting there overnight or anything like that, so.
Alright.
Good. She's coming down there.
Come on, shorty. You already know you did that fraud. Oh, bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? Looking at. Come on now.
When I get down to the bottom, I'm going to put you in handcuffs, okay?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna call my mama. If you can't, just send her somebody.
She's got a boyfriend or something up there. He was kind of giving me an attitude. So.
My guy. Bro ain't even get close to giving you no type of attitude, man. Let's cut that out. He ain't give you no attitude. He just asked you a simple question. You got a warrant? Because shorty right here is a dummy, okay? She a dummy because she got y'all at the door in the first place, right? That makes her a dummy the first time. Second time, she's a dummy because she gonna swing the door open when you ask, can you check? Like you even got a warrant or any type of authority in there. They gonna sit there talking about some, where are you trying to check? All over the house. What are you talking about?
Attitude, so I just want to make sure I had somebody here. Okay. Well, I appreciate you being cooperative with me. You let go of your hand there so I can get this hooked. Yeah. What's that? All right, now we're gonna go over to my squad car, okay?
What you just do?
I'm putting you in handcuffs. We have a. Is Molly still working?
Huh?
We're gonna go over to my squad car real quick, and then I'm gonna have a female come search you, make sure you don't have anything else in there. Yep. She's gonna go to the jail.
They taking her to church.
Watch your step.
Be asking stupid questions. When you see somebody in handcuffs, I don't be asking, where y'all taking her? Where y'all taking him? Like, bro, come on.
Go to this.
Which one?
This one here, and then we're gonna wait for a female officer to get. Frank, Reese, and Victor 1. Just put a seat there for right now, okay? Yeah, you're good. I just wanted one person with me in case.
I was stuck in Pal, so.
Yeah.
Clark's the one watching it.
I told her that I was gonna arrest her, and she's like, I gotta get something, and then she wasn't coming out. He was kind of getting squirrely, but.
I just had a question.
Yeah.
So after I get my court date, I get to go, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's not a detainable offense or anything, so.
All right, let's.
I'm waiting for the feet. Nope, she's not here yet, but she'll be here in just a few minutes, and then I just gotta have her search you and stuff, and then we'll be on the way, okay?
All right.
Who is she waiting on?
You alright?
Can you get him on phone?
Oh, yeah, I'll hold on to it. Thanks.
No, I don't want you to hold on.
I'm just gonna set it right here on top of the car.
Can you give it to him?
You want him to have it?
Yeah.
You don't want to have it when you get out of jail? You might need to call him. I'll just set it right here. I'm not gonna do anything with it. But you can't be calling people.
Hello.
Hi.
I'll step out here real quick.
Hello there.
Right here, turn around.
I'm Officer Monahan. I got a body camera on, so it's audio and video recording. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, hurt me, sick me? No? Okay. I'm going to have you face the car for me. Is the black your undies? Okay.
Glad I had some more.
Just gonna pull these up real quick.
What did you say?
What did I? Oh. Where is she at? What does she mean?
I'm not trying to hear
I'm
all
not trying
that.
to poke her or stick you, okay?
I'm not about it. I tell her I'm not trying to play with her. I don't. You do. I don't have time. What did she say? Call my uncle. Call my uncle and tell him to send you money so you can come get me.
It's not like that anymore.
Yeah,
You're gonna go get an NTA.
Where's
You're gonna
that?
go get in, process through, get a notice to appear. They're gonna give you court date. There's no cash bond.
That's what today?
Yeah, you'll be back before dinner now.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I need him
right.
there as soon as
Widen your feet for me, hon, okay?
Do you want him to have your phone or not?
A little bit more.
Yeah.
A little bit more, hon.
Your phone.
Huh? Widen your stance for me,
I'm
hon.
gonna walk right up. It's right. The little courthouse, that's like right up the corner right up here, right? Yeah. I'm literally gonna walk.
That's okay.
I'm literally gonna walk right up behind y'all.
It's not metal or anything, right?
They might, so you'll get out. You probably won't take off. Widen your stance for me, hon.
That's why I just said OG said keep up OG. They just told me that, so I told OG that. So
Tell her we should have a long talk.
Call your mom again.
Huh?
Call your mom again. Same girl that was here last week or 2 weeks ago.
What girl?
Your mom. Wasn't she the one that showed up a couple weeks
Oh,
ago?
I knew you looked familiar. That's not
You're in
crazy.
charge, right? Look at that, it's working and everything.
You smart.
I know.
You
keeping
Yeah.
your phone?
Huh?
You keeping your phone?
Yeah, because I'm going to have to call you.
Why you gonna call me and I'm gonna be standing right there when you walk out there? Alright, okay. Just call me then. I'm gonna stay here.
No. I'm not finna play with you. If you
She
not
ain't
up
wanna
there by the
leave.
time I get there,
She ain't wanna leave that phone with buddy. Boy, she ain't wanna leave that phone with you, my guy. Hey, come on, man. There's a player like, there's a play on that line, bro.
up.
Breaking her.
Brown here's her. This, I think, she didn't have it.
No.
That's her only property. Okay. Thank you guys.
Oh, you got that unbuckled by yourself?
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive. Just have a seat over here on this bench. Right here, please.
Wait, I'm trying to push my
Just have a seat over there.
Okay, well, can I stand?
Yeah, you can stand if you want.
I sit too much more.
Sure. Just so in case we are talking and stuff, I'm gonna advise you the rights to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent, you understand that? Anything that you say can be used against you in a court or other proceedings, do you understand that? You have the right to have an attorney present while you're being questioned at all, you understand that? If you can't afford to hire an attorney, one could be appointed to represent you free of any cost, you understand that? What are you working at?
Ribbon,
Oh, really? What are you doing out there?
security.
Really? Like the physical uniform security, like checking people in and out and stuff like that?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
At the gates, and at the entrances. I like it, but it's slave work. They will work you a whole bunch of hours and expect you to be back the next day. Like sometimes I work first shift, but sometimes, and they say,
All right, y'all. I'm gonna clip the video right here because we get the gist of it. Shorty done did the do, and now she's done. You know what I'm saying? Real good cooked food. You know. Y'all learn, bro. Cut the fraud out, man. It ain't even worth it, man. I keep telling y'all this every TPR episode. It's not worth it. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna bring y'all some more. Stop it. And y'all know how I do at the end of the video. And if you don't know, it's because you're not subscribed. But here's some more videos. I'm gonna go ahead and recommend some of the good stuff to y'all. The caviar of the caviar, you know? So click on one of these and keep the motion going. I'm out.